Yeah, good day everyone. Thank you for your patience and let's get started. In order to love who you are, you cannot hate the experience that shaped you. I'm Sumetha Jiva, being a part of creative team at MWA Association, and I feel bliss and delighted in welcoming you all for the WAVE Association Best Academician Year Award for the year 2020, South India. A very warm afternoon to all the dignitaries present in this forum. Before kickstarting the event, it's our duty to thank late Manoharan Sir, founder of WC Groups, followed by Dr. Neelaveni Sendil Kumar, CEO and chairperson of WC Groups, and finally, Engineer Vinod Manoharan, co-founder and CTO of WC Groups, for all their support for making this event happen. MWA Association is a part of WC Groups, where we emphasize to research-related works and work on 3 different sets of domain, namely communication, computer security, and networking. We are happy to say that this is the second time we are organizing the Academician Award and hope it will continue for the upcoming years too. I've learned that people will forget what you said, people will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel. Is absolutely in order to give a wonderful memories. As a chief guest, here we have Dr. T. Vijay, Head of Marketing, WC Groups, Dr. T. Ravi, HOD, ECE, Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology, Engineer L. Saravanan, Director, MWA Asia Division, Engineer M. Yuvaraj, Project Manager, WC Groups Asia Division, Engineer Madan, Director, Power Integrated Solutions India, Engineer M. Mangala Selvaraja, Project Manager, Listen Lights Private Limited, India. We are happy to have you as a chief guest today. Let's jump on to the most awaited moment of the day. Let me enumerate the different sets of awards. Yeah, here we go. Outstanding Academic Excellence for the year 2020. Secondly, Best Research Supportive Person for the year 2020. Thirdly, Best Academic Supportive Person for the year 2020. Fourthly, Outstanding WAVE Association Member for the year 2020. Fifthly, Best Student Motivator for the year 2020, followed by Outstanding Technical Virtual Support for the year 2020, and finally, Best Intern Trainees for the year 2020. We have 5 nominees in each and every different categories, out of which one is being purely selected on the odd aspect. Before knowing who is going to grab the award, I would like to congratulate all the nominees and wishing them good luck. Now it's time to announce the award winners. I request the award winners to turn on the video. Dr. A.L. Vallikanu, Associate Professor, Head, Hindustan Institute of Science and Technology. She received the AMIE degree in Electronics and Communication Engineering from the Institution of Engineers, Kolkata, and ME in Applied Electronics from Anna University. She is an university rank holder in PG. She has consulted for Wilma Communications for antenna design. She has a total teaching experience of 20 years. Her research broadly spans energy optimization in manner with current interest in the antenna design for automatic cars, wireless embedded system. Currently, she is investigating the wireless embedded system and IoT. She is being an active member of the IEEE, IET, IETE, and so on. She is also recognized PhD guide by HITS Chennai, and 2 research scholars have been awarded PhD under her guidance. And currently, she is guiding 7 research scholars. MWA Association takes an extreme privilege to honor Dr. A.L. Vallikanu for the outstanding academic excellence for the year 2020. Let's give her a big round of applause for her dedication that has made her to reach heights, and wishing her good luck for all her future endeavors. I request Dr. Vallikanu to share a few words.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. This is Dr. Vallikanu from Hindustan Institute of Technology and Science. Audible, madam?
Yes, yeah, ma'am, you're audible.
Yeah. Really, I'm privileged to be associated with this. And to say a few words about our association with Wilma Group is like Wilma Group has given extended hands to support our students for internship, and they have also trained our students with lot of workshops and training. And I am privileged to be selected for this award. I am deserving for this, but still, the initiation taken by your group is really wonderful, and it's a motivation for all the academicians and the people who are working in the field of research as well as in the field of academics. And I have no words to say more, and I thank the WC groups and especially all the members of the WC groups who have been behind this event and have taken so much effort. Any program cannot start within a day; it has to roll over for a couple of months, and the effort that has been taken by you, especially to encourage the people who are doing work in this field, is really innumerable, and it's a remarkable thing. And I thank for considering me as one of the nominee, and I'm thankful to all the people who have voted for me and then me to raise this particular position to grab this award. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you for your valuable words, ma'am. Let's move on with Dr. M. Sugadev, Assistant Professor, Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology. He has completed AMIE in Institution of Engineers, MTech in Satyabama University, and PhD in Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology. He has published 14 papers and taken part in 11 international conferences, followed by 7 national conferences. He is a life member of the Institution of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineers, IETE India, and Associate Member, Institution of Engineer India, IEI. MWA Association takes an extreme privilege to honor Dr. M. Sugadev for the Best Academic Supportive Person for the year 2020. Let's give him a big round of applause for his dedication and effort shown throughout the year, and wishing him good luck for all his future endeavors. I request Dr. Sugadev to share a few words.
Yeah. Good evening, one and all present here. And thank you, Wilma Communication, for giving me this privilege. And I thank the students and fellow faculty members who have been supportive and providing encouragement for continuous and sustained research in the domain of communication and embedded systems. Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, sir. Next, let's move on with Engineer U. Surender, Assistant Professor, K. Ramakrishna College of Engineering. He completed bachelor's degree in Electronics and Communication Engineering and master's in Communication Systems from Anna University in 2011 and 2014 respectively. He is a lifetime member of the Indian Associate of Technical Education, MISTE, and the field of research interest in designing RF antennas and filters for advanced wireless mobile applications. He has published 11 articles in reputed international journals, 12 international conferences, and 3 national conferences. He has guided 7 UG and a PG projects in his career. He has hosted many events and given guest lectures even. MWA Association takes an extreme privilege to honor Mr. U. Surender for the Best Academic Supportive Person for the year 2020. Let's give him a big round of applause for his outstanding work throughout this year and wishing him good luck for all his future endeavors. I request Mr. Surender to share a few words.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm Surender from Kochi, and really very happy to hear that I'm just achieving this award. And really, it's very much. I'm feeling very, very happy for considering me, and also I'm very much thankful for those students and everybody who have voted for me. Really, thank you so much. And I wish this will be very much. I wish all the MWA Association people to reach a remarkable height, so that you can also serve the people and all the students to get motivated. And thank you so much for your work. Thank you.
Yeah, a bunch of thanks to you, sir. So let's move on with Engineer S. Divya, Assistant Professor, Kongunadu College of Engineering and Technology. She has completed her BE and ME in Anna University, Chennai. She has given her best through being self-motivated and easy way of teaching. She has handled various subjects such as computer programming, software engineering, and so on. Apart from this, she has taken the additional responsibility by handling department newsletters, department strategic plan coordinator, mentor, and whatnot. She has handled and attended various seminars, webinars, workshops, national and international conferences. MWA Association takes an extreme privilege to honor Ms. S. Divya for the Outstanding WAVE Association member for the year 2020. Let's give her a big round of applause for all her wonderful efforts shown throughout the year and wishing her good luck for all her future endeavors. I request Ms. Divya to share a few words.
Yes, thank you. A very good evening to one and all present here, and it's really surprising. I didn't expect this award from you guys, but I really thankful to you and grateful to you by getting this award. And for every person, if they are doing any work now, definitely they might expect something from others, right? So this is very honor to me while getting this award from WAVE Associations, and I'm very thankful for the all the participants and all the nominees and all the award getters from this association, and also I congrats all them and wishing them to achieve their great level in the future also. Yes, thank you.
Yeah, that was so kind of you, ma'am. Thank you. Next, let's move on with Engineer R. Prasanna, Assistant Professor and Training Coordinator, Milam Engineering College. He has completed his UG in VRS College of Engineering and Technology and currently pursuing his PhD in Anna University, Chennai. He has strong passion towards teaching and serving students community more than a decade in teaching engineering subjects and in developing students through his career development session. His achievement includes the Best Teacher Award for the Best Academic Year 2017 to 18 from Milam Engineering College, Best Department Placement Coordinator Award for placing more number of students in various top companies for consecutive 3 years, 2016, 17 and 18 from Milam Engineering College, Consumer Excellence Award from MCAFE during the year 2011, Platinum Tenor Award from Sutherland during the year 2011. He has conducted many seminar sessions for students related to personality development and communication skills. MWA Association takes an extreme privilege to honor Mr. R. Prasanna for the Best Student Motivator for the year 2020. Let's give him a big round of applause for his enthusiastic participation in nurturing many young minds and wishing him good luck for all his future endeavors. I request Mr. Prasanna to share a few words.
Thank you very much. Very good afternoon to everyone. This is Prasanna R from Milam Engineering College. Hope I'm audible.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Yes, thank you very much. I would really thank WAVE Association for recognizing the academicians. I really privileged and happy to receive this particular award, and I really thank every one of you for recognizing me. I feel this is a great motivation for us to continue all our efforts, whatever we do right now. Thank you very much. Thank you, Vilma.
Yeah, happy for you, sir. Next, let's move on with Engineer E.L. Divyapriya, Assistant Professor, Sri Krishna College of Technology, has given her all her support towards the YouTube channel named as Divi's Techicom. She has handled interesting subjects as wireless communication, communication engineering, medical electronics, and so on. And then she has published 15 papers, attended 10 conferences, and got 2 patents. Moreover, she's been active in organizing various online events and given 2 guest lectures. Added up, she has guided 15 batch of students for their projects. All the more, for multiple events, she has been the department coordinator and provided her as the best, and by making this event a grand success too. I request Ms. Divyapriya to share a few words, and MWA Association takes an extreme privilege to honor Ms. E.L. Divyapriya for the outstanding technical, visual support by the name Divi's Techicom for the year 2020. Let's give her a big round of applause, and thank you so much for your support. So it's up to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It's really emotional and a heart-touching moment for me, receiving an award for a YouTube channel that I run. I take this opportunity to thank my family members and my brother who've been the pillar of support for running this channel. And also I extend my great thanks to sir for being a pillar of support in running this channel. Thank you so much, sir. And I thank all my friends who've been a part of this event today. Thank you so much. It's really an emotional moment. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. And finally, it's a time to honor the best interns for the year 2020. MWA Association takes an extreme privilege to honor Master J. Belbin Lijo and Master S. Allen. Both are pursuing their final year at Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology for the best intern trainee 2020. So both these guys joined the WC groups and started their intern 1 year ago. During their training, they have proved them as the best in each and every event, and they're doing something great. So we wish them a good luck for their future endeavors. I request both of you to share a few words.
Okay. This is Belbin Lijo, currently pursuing finally in Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology. I thank for Vilma Communication for giving me such a good award. And especially I want to thank Rugadev sir and Vinod sir for guiding me throughout the year and making me to receive such a wonderful award. And thank you. That's
Okay, keep rocking, both of you. Now I request Ms. Sindhuja Chellamuthu, Creative Team, MWA Asia Division, for proposing the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Sumita. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Sindhuja Chellamuthu. I stand in awe of its beauty to propose the vote of thanks on behalf of MWA Associations. As being a lead member of Creative Team, I am glad to propose the vote of thanks. It's a complete privilege for our association to organize such a memorable award functions. Let me thank the Almighty for giving such space and Dr. Neelaveni Senthilkumar for making this event happen with all the eminent persons. Engineer Saravanan, Engineer Mangala Selvaraj, Dr. Ravi, Dr. Vijay, Engineer Madan and Engineer Yuvraj for being here as our today's chief guest. Thank you for accepting our invitation and gave such a interesting and informative ideas. Let me show my gratitude to all the dignitaries who are from various institutes who have been actively participated in this event and nailed it. Thank you all. For sure, I am a need to thank each and every members of MWA Association who have given all their effort on and behalf of this screen. Thanks a lot. My speech would be incomplete without thank Engineer Manogaran for giving this opportunity. Last but not least, I would like to thank each and every one of you for spending your valuable time and joy with us. Thank you, everybody. Have a great day ahead.
Yeah, thank you, Sindhuja. Special thanks to Madan and Yuvraj sir for joining today's session. And due to a few personal reasons, I hope few were unable to join this award function. Anyway, thanks for each and every one of you for your kind attention. Please, Engineer Vinod Manoharan sir is relieving from this company officially, and he will take care of advisory team in WC groups. If you want any kind of assistance, it's a humble request to contact him personally. So I repeat it again. Engineer Vinod Manoharan sir is relieving from this company officially, and he will be taking care of the advisory team in WC groups. For any further assistance, you can contact him personally. Yeah. So every beginning has an end. So let's end up this event. And thank you all for being here today, and keep going. Yeah. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.
Thank you to the team.